Truck You Up is proud to offer this beautiful 2015 Ford Expedition EL Platinum 3.5-liter V6 24V GDI DOHC Twin Turbo in silver metallic. Absolutely loaded with power windows, mirrors, locks, seats, sunroof, rear seats, and remote start. Ice-cold dual climate control, beautiful leather interior, 3 rows, 7 seats, heated and cooled seats, Sony Bluetooth aux sync entertainment system, backup camera, and full park assist and navigation. 20 inches chrome alloy wheels with brand new Venom all-terrain tires, heavy-duty factory tow pack with factory brake assist, folding running boards, and power tailgate. This vehicle is absolutely beautiful and has incredible towing power. Very luxurious and remarkably spacious. Very clean inside and out. Drives absolutely perfect. Call or text 61689076163. And a reminder, Truck You Up never charges dealer prep or fluff fees. And we are the world's largest truck dealer in Brantford, Florida. And also the only truck dealer in Brantford, Florida.